welcome back or welcome if you're new here. I am Tiyashee. Hi, I'm here on this platform to guide you on your own makeup journey. The look that we're going for today is Blue Smokey Eyes, an all-time classic. But my pearls, before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so because I post content every week and then we can move on. I have already cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin, basically prepped my skin, and then I have also done my eyebrows off camera to save some time. I love to do my eye makeup before the rest of my face as it makes it more easy. As an eye base, I have used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. I have applied just 2 dots on each lid and I have blended that out using a damp beauty sponge. Okay, now I will do one eye off camera real quick and I will be right back to have a clear idea and concept of what I'm going to show you. So this is what we are going to do, a nice smoked out eye. It might look complicated, but wait, watch this video so that I can break it down for you. Firstly, I have picked up a light brown shade as a sort of transition shade and I have used it right above the crease. Next, I have grabbed the tiniest angled brush I could find and I have picked up a matte black shade and I have drawn on a fake crease. This will help to make the eyes look so much bigger. Drawing on a fake crease can also be a great tip for those with hooded or smaller eye shapes. Next, I have picked up the same light brown shade again to soften the harsh black line. There should not be any lines, we want it blended. I have chosen a flat shader brush for the blue shade because metallic shades apply beautifully with it. This is the blue shade that I will be using. I have placed it on the inner 2/3 of the eye. We need to leave some space on the outer V for a darker shade. Now for the outer V or the outer 1/3 of the eye, I have used this midnight blue shade and I have patted it to get max to max pigmentation. I have buffed out the outer V with the light brown shade again to have a soft and blended look. I have used a darker blue shade on the outer edge of my lower lash line and then I will be blending it with the lighter blue shade again. I will be blending the blues with the light brown shade again. I will tightline my upper lash line as well as the lower lash line. For a blinding inner corner highlight, I have used this whitish shade and you can see how balm it looks like. Wow, I'm in love with it. Then I got myself some winged liner and I have also extended the inner corner. It gives a more feline look. For my mascara today, I have used the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. It has been my all-time favorite and it will always be, I believe. Then I have also highlighted my brow bone to tie this look all together. My puffs, I forgot to conceal my under eyes before doing the lower lash line, so I am going with the concealer here. Sorry for that. Since my skin is already prepped, I am moving on to the foundation. I have used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Beige. Next, I am blending the foundation with a big fluffy brush. Okay, moving on to the face contour, I have contoured my higher cheekbones. I'm also going with it along my hairline, on my forehead basically, and also under the jawline. Next up we have the nose contour.
But what about me, Bo?
Dear Bo-chan, step 1 is to have a nose, and then I have gone on the sides and also across it to have a button nose effect. To set my problem areas, I have used the Maybelline Superfresh Compact and I have gone with the Beauty Blender itself. I have also gone on the sides of the nose to give a more chiseled effect. I have also applied the powder on my T-zone. With the powder, I will also cut my cheekbone contour so that I can have a more lifted face. This is the shade that I will be using as a blush today. I have went for the same horizontal blush that I am a big fan of because it looks so natural. I also love applying a little bit of blush on the chin area and also on the tip of the nose. For my highlight, I have used the whitish shade from that palette that I used before and I'm going on the places where light naturally hits my face. According to my face shape, I have highlighted the cheekbones, the brow bone, the bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, and also a little bit on the center of the forehead. My puffs highlighting makes a huge difference. So it is very important that you research about how to contour or highlight your face before going on with it. I would like to line my lips, for which I am using this lipstick from Maybelline. I have used a tiny lip brush to line my lips. I will be following my natural lip line. Now for my lipstick, I will be using a lipstick from L18. The names, shade names and all details of products will be given below in the description box. And that concludes this look. Here is the finished result. If you liked today's video and if you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up before you leave. And also comment down below what video you want me to do next or any queries regarding makeup that you might have. Also follow me on Instagram because I am much more active there than on YouTube. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.